Hello all, welcome back. When I first joined MinerWar, I had no idea what I was looking at. Blocks, clans, boosts, it all looked like chaos. Today, I'll show you the MinerWar navigation. Hey, it's JustBen. I've been using GoMining and I'm sharing what I've learned so far. I hope this helps you understand the platform better. As always, this is not financial advice. If you're discovering GoMining for the first time, check the link in the description. And if you decide to buy your first miner, use my code JustBen for a 5% bonus on your first NFT miner. First, you need to go to MinerWar. I'll show you how to navigate the section where to find a clan and how to get started. Joining the war is simple. Just choose a clan. If you don't, you'll stay in solo mining. To leave a clan, it's just as easy. Click Leave Clan. But remember, once you join MinerWar, you can't switch back to solo mining for the rest of the day. The reset happens at midnight UTC. So, if you want to join the war, the best time is 1 minute after midnight. And if you plan to leave, do it 1 minute before. And remember, the reward fall on Tuesday. If you go in MinerWar, you'll see your reward only next Tuesday. Let's zoom in on the leagues and how to see how much total power or TH each one has. On Odyssey, you can see that there is 1 million TH. In Eclipse, you can see that there is around 100,000 TH. Before joining a clan, make sure to choose a league that fits your level. The higher the TH, the bigger the potential rewards, but also the harder it is to win. Let's take a quick look at the navigation panel. You can find the promotion section here and see how much you've earned in MinerWar since you joined. It shows your rewards per cycle and the total amount won since the beginning of the war. A small but important note, the BTC rewards go to the clan, while the GMT rewards are given to the individual winners. But now it's time to choose your clan in the league you've selected. If you're not sure how to choose or what type of clan to join, check my previous video, Solo versus MinerWar. Here, we'll focus on the how-to. And one thing to consider, if you have more than 100 TH, you can also create your own clan. Once you've chosen your clan, you can either join directly or send a request. If the clan has a star icon, it means you'll need to meet specific requirements before joining, like a minimum TH or GMT on your wallet. If you select join, you're entering an open clan, with no restrictions. If request, your application has to be approved by the clan leader before you can join, but you can always leave. And don't worry, you can leave anytime the war or the clan. Also, you found a clan that you like, just search for it. It's that easy. And finally, you're now inside the MinerWar. The purpose here is simple. Your farm produces TH per second, based on the power in watts of your miners. That power is automatically converted into points per second. The lower your watts, the more points you generate. The goal of MinerWar is to boost at the right moment to gain an edge over other clans. You'll see two types of chances to win: your clan's winning percentage and your own personal winning percentage. The algorithm first picks the winning clan, and then selects one individual winner within that clan. The higher your average percentage over a round, average is 10 minutes, the higher your chances of winning. I'll make a dedicated video explaining the full strategy behind boosts on the next video. To sum up, MinerWar is all about understanding your clan, your power, and what to do. That's what turns your mining power into points and bigger rewards at the end of each cycle. Stay tuned for the follow-up. I will cover how to boost. Like and subscribe if you want to keep learning. Thanks for watching.